Hello again. I have finished my rainbow series and then I realized I haven't done the rainbow wave. So today I am just trying to make a rainbow wave. Just trying to pop the bubbles. I have put down the pillow here and I have spreaded it evenly because I don't want to tilt it too much. Or if possible, I don't want to tilt at all, but it's quite thin pillow. I spread it and I just done like this, so it's the bubbles pop. I can see the bubbles are popping as well. So yeah, so what I'm doing, I am trying to do this way and make a wave using my bloom recipe and see how it works. So first let's start with pink. So I have changed this time. Before I had my magenta and today I'm using my VV pink. This is for a cake challenge as well. So I'm just going on wave shape and I'll do the swipe. Okay, so next one is going to be yellow. I don't want the color to be mixed together either, just want them to separate with each other. Hopefully all the colors fit there. Well, it will. If it doesn't fit on the bottom, we go on from the middle. So you can see I'm dropping. What I'll do at the end, I'll put some pillow down there and make it proper white. So now I'm going for orange. Trying to cover this pillow. Okay, so green. Okay, so I do just put it. Okay, so that's how the rainbow looks right now. Right there, I could see one bubble, big bubble here. I'm just going to pop that, pop this one, and now time to do some magic. So I've got my knife here. I'm going to use this palette knife, and this is going to be a pseudo swipe. So I'm just putting my selector just like this, and bit of it, kind of. Let's do this. Okay, so slowly messing there, you can see already. I'm just going to get this side. Got quite a lot of selector there, so yeah, perfect. Now go back again and do this way. So I'm not putting too much cell activator, just putting on an edge where I need. So I've got a cell activator just like this, and start from here. Just finish this bit. I had to go over again there. But so far it looks good. So back again. This one. I'm using less cell activator now. I can actually do one thing here. Just fill that bit. So already got cell activator here. You can start. This is a bit awkward. Okay. So if I start like this, I'll be able to manage to cover everything. Yes. So this is going to be difficult. What can I use there? Should I try this one? Okay, let me just get on this one. Destroy. That's already nice. Don't want to do all of it. Don't want to spoil it. Oh God, let me check. Oh, do that one. Just this bit like this, yeah. So putting the cell activator on tip here, just a tiny bit, and I am going on here. It's quite a lot cell activator because I just started from there. Oh, that's cool. Okay, now, so that bit done. Now I need to go that way, which is going to be a little bit difficult to do, but I'm not giving up. So I'll probably use this one this time. Keep your palette knives handy when you do pseudo swipe, because they are really nice to do. No. Okay. So this one again. So as you can see, it's not properly done there, so I'm just going over again. But I don't want to use too much cell activator. What I do now, I don't want too much, that's why I'm just okay. Now I'll blow that one. I am happy how it is, to be honest. I'll probably stop here, otherwise we'll mess up. I'll just do a little bit blowing on the side. Okay, what I do, it's quite a lot. Oh, do you want that much? Applying now. Actually, okay, let's put one drop there and here. Yeah, let's do that now. No more messing up. Okay, I think it looks cool now. I had added, that was quite a lot pink there, but never mind. Happy how it's turned out, to be honest, and I'm crossing my fingers to dry them. And we're just going to tilt a tiny bit to drop on the side. And back again, so I get nice lessing there. This is the trick to get lessing. This is how it looks. Look at the lessing here. It's quite a lot of selectivator because I have to put some selectivator and do it again. A little bit mess up here, the pink gone with the yellow, but never mind. I never hope it's going to be like this anyway, but it turns out beautiful. So this is my rainbow wave using the bloom recipe and pseudo swipe. So I hope guys you like it.